Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to put Microsoft Store app in desktop on Windows. First thing you need to do, which is the easiest way, is called the drag and drop method. Now we go to the startup menu, look for Microsoft Store. This is Microsoft Store, drag it and drop it. It is as simple as that. This is the easiest method. That's it. Then if you don't want to use that method, you can use the startup menu by opening the start menu, right click on Microsoft Store, then select pin to start. So right click on it and select this. You can see mine is already pinned to the start. That's why you can see on pin from start instead of pin to start. So that's it. It's as simple as that. When you select pin to start, then you can also right click to select pin to taskbar. Also you can also pin it to your taskbar if you want. So Microsoft Store, so right click on it like I said before. So we have, I think it's already pinned to my start. So if I open it, I can now choose to pin to taskbar also. As you see, receipt. The only way you can pin to taskbar if the icon is already present in your taskbar. For example, this is it in the taskbar here. I right click on this, I can see on pin from taskbar because mine is already pinned to the taskbar. So it's as simple as that. With that, you successfully created shortcuts for Microsoft Store app on your desktop. This method allows you to quickly and easily access Microsoft Store from your desktop for convenient app browsing and downloads. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks.